Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create transparent watermark in CapCut application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and first of all I'm going to add watermark to my video. We can click on text and click on add text, and for example I'm just going to type in watermark like this. And if you want to make this watermark or this tags become transparent, you can customize the opacity. You can go to the style option, and then you can scroll down until you find the opacity, and you can reduce the opacity to make it transparent. I'm going to make it around 50%. Okay, and we can click on the check mark and you can zoom in or zoom out like this. And I'm going to place this watermark right here on the center. Okay, and we can make the watermark align with our video. Right, and this is the final result guys. And as you can see that the watermark is transparent. Alright guys, and that's how we can create transparent watermark in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.